Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you the 9 electric SUVs coming out in 2023, game changers in the EV market. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to receive regular updates whenever we upload a video. 9. 2023 Chevrolet Blazer EV. Chevrolet claims it will reach 60 mph in less than 4 seconds. In addition, while 2 LT vehicles may be ordered with either front or all-wheel drive, the 1 LT is only offered with a front-wheel drive configuration. Oddly, the RS model offers all-wheel drive as an option, yet comes standard with either front or rear-wheel drive. Chevy hasn't provided much information on the size of the battery packs offered on the Blazer EV, but we know that the RS model will have the maximum EPA estimated driving range of the lineup at 320 miles. The range of the 2LT and SS trims is claimed to be 293 and 290 miles respectively, while the base 1LT model is believed to be 247 miles on a single charge. The Chevrolet Blazer EV, according to Chevrolet, that can add up to 78 kilometers of range in 10 minutes at a charging rate of up to 190 kilowatts. 8. 2023 Hyundai IONIQ 6. The IONIQ 6, an all-electric vehicle, served as the debut model for the second Hyundai trio of EVs. The 6 is a sedan with a curved shape that emphasizes aerodynamics, keeping with the IONIQ naming trend. It features a drag coefficient of 0.21 and a low nose with a spoiler that resembles a wing. It is 0.28 for the IONIQ 5. Hyundai previewed a third electric SUV at the online global premiere of the IONIQ 6. Although the IONIQ 5 is a more significant hatchback crossover, both vehicles will share the same electric global modular platform, eGMP, with the Kia EV6. Both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive electric motor choices will be available. The dual-motor configuration will provide 446 pound-feet of torque with AWD. That almost doubles the instant power of the 5. The identical model will accelerate to 60 mph from 0 in around 5 seconds. With a 350 kilowatt fast charger, the IONIQ 6 can be fully charged from 10% to 80% in 18 minutes. The 2023 Hyundai IONIQ 6's battery pack has a capacity of 77.4 kilowatt hours. Your stated range of more than 379 miles per charge may be reached with complete control. 7. 2023 Cadillac Lyriq. Rear-wheel drive and a 340 horsepower electric powertrain are standard on the Lyriq. With this base configuration, the Lyriq accelerates adequately and feels quick, but it lacks the sense of power we get from competitive SUVs like the BMW iX and the Model X. The rear-wheel drive Lyriq reached 60 mph on our test track in 5.7 seconds, which is relatively speedy by mid-size SUV standards, but slower than that of EV competitors. Optional all-wheel drive with a 500 HP dual-motor engine adds a second motor to operate the front wheels. This summer we'll see the start of deliveries for the 2023 Lyriq Debut Edition, which was previously only available by reservation. With a starting MSRP of $62,990, the Lyriq RWD model provides an EPA estimated 312 miles of range on a full charge. 6. 2023 Subaru Solterra. Subaru enthusiasts' first opportunity to choose from a completely electric vehicle in the portfolio is the Solterra. The only semi-electric choice up to this point had been the plug-in hybrid Crosstrek. However, Subaru has announced that it would only produce 6,500 Solterras for the 2023 model year. Pricing for the 2023 Subaru Solterra hasn't been revealed, but we anticipate it to roughly resemble that of the Toyota BZ4X, which we expect to start in the mid-30,000s or low 40,000s. We can make recommendations on which Subi to get once we know how much it will cost and have learned more about its various trim levels and amenities. It boasts level 2 AC and DC quick charging capabilities and can go more than 220 miles on a single charge, according to Subaru. 5. 2023 Lexus RZ 450e. The RZ 450e's range is woefully inadequate in a world where the air car from upstart manufacturer Lucid can travel more than 500 miles between charges. According to internal calculations made by Lexus utilizing the EPA test cycle, this SUV will go up to 225 miles when equipped with the modest 18-inch wheels, but only 200 miles when equipped with the bigger 20-inch wheels. Although this test is more merciful than the EPA's, the current WLTP range estimation is over 400 kilometers or for roughly 249 miles. The company will also offer front-wheel drive in other countries, something it is currently debating for the US, but those ratings are with standard all-wheel drive. The full-electric Lexus RZ 450e will range up to 225 miles with the 18-inch tires on a full charge, thanks to a 71.4 kilowatt-hour battery, but MPGe measurements from the EPA must corroborate this. 4. 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS. Everything, despite the EQS SUV having the same drivetrain as the EQS sedan. The EQS SUV pulls out a more beautiful and svelte body than its sedan sister from the same skateboard platform, a shape that is notable for lacking GLS-style SUV characteristics. The EQS SUV, the largest vehicle to be constructed on the EQS or EQE platform, features a crossover-style shape with a broad black band embellished with stars across the nose. On the SUV's stated models, the air intakes below the EQS trademark strip aren't functional, but an AMG edition will have functioning vents. As Mercedes strives for aerodynamic efficiency with every line, the body is as smooth as possible with a softly tapered roofline and sculpted side panels. Even the optional running boards have low air fins to flow air around the car. The rear-wheel drive Mercedes EQS 450 Plus has the greatest combined ETA range rating of 350 miles per charge, surpassing the Tesla Model S, Model 3, and Lucid Air. 3. Chevrolet Equinox. The majority of electric vehicles, EVs, on the market now cost more than their gas-powered counterparts, yet sales of EVs are still increasing as new models become available. With a moniker as familiar as the Equinox, GM is betting that a more inexpensive EV would encourage a quicker transition to electric power. Other EV manufacturers have made inexpensive solutions seem appealing, only to run afoul of rising battery prices, supply chain issues, and other uncontrollable outside forces. Of course, a lot may occur between now and the launch of the Equinox EV that might jeopardize GM's plans. Chevy is being secretive about the Equinox's actual pricing as well. Rumor has it, the starting prices will be around $30,000. Additionally, there will be 2 higher-spec RS versions with a darker interior and more technology, the 2RS and 3RS, as well as 2 additional LT trims, the 2LT and 3LT. Each model will also have the option of upgrading to AWD. Buyers may also choose for Super Cruise, GM's driver assist system that allows for hands-free driving on 400,000 miles of North American roadways. The Chevy Volt EUV, for example, has Super Cruise choices for roughly $2,200, although pricing varies by model. With 2 notable exceptions, the external styling of the LT trim is comparable to that of the gas-powered model, with a narrow light bar across the entire width of the car and extra horizontal stylings that, curiously enough, somewhat resemble the Ford Mustang Mach-E. The front end is completely different. For the RS models, the upper right corner of the front fascia is all red with the iconic red RS badge. Additionally, Chevy offers a 2-tone roof on LT vehicles and a black roof as an option for RS trims. 2. Chevrolet Silverado EV. The bold GMC Hummer EV and the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado EV share an electric engine, but the latter is a traditional interpretation of the electric pickup truck. Some may find the feature evocative of the now discontinued Avalanche pickup truck from the early 2000s. A mid-gate design option allows users to fold the partition between the bed and the cab for additional storage space. A big battery pack is believed to have a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, while a battery with a range of 100 miles may be charged in just 10 minutes using DC fast charging technology. Chevy predicts that the Silverado EV will be able to go up to 400 miles before needing to recharge. Additionally, its electric drivetrain can charge at 800 volts and 350 kilowatts. With these high-capacity numbers, you can quickly increase 100 miles of driving range. 1. Hodna Prologue. Thanks to a collaborative development agreement with GM, Honda's 2024 Prologue SUV, the company's second effort at an EV following the unsuccessful Clarity car, seems to be on schedule and fiercely competitive. The Prologue is a mid-size SUV, and as can be seen from a concept drawing and spy images of a prototype, however, details are sketchy. It must have big wheels, small front and back overhangs, and straightforward lighting components. Nevertheless, it is expected to be attractive. The Honda Prologue, which is available in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, is expected to have a range of up to 300 kilomiles per charge, with this EV's batteries potentially having more power. The Prologue will likely be around the same size as the gas-powered Passport, but with a somewhat lower roofline. The Prologue will be built on a platform created in collaboration with General Motors. It will utilize Ultium battery packs similar to upcoming GM EVs like the Blazer EV. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below what part you like the most, or click on the thumbs up button if you like the video.